Lot 18, SS Viva Enjoy. SS Viva Enjoy is a rare and striking filly by the Olympic stallion Enjoy De La Mure. Ridden by Omar, Abdul, Aziz and Marzooqi, Enjoy De La Mure represented the UAE at the Paris Olympic Games and has since continued to shine at the highest level, winning the Sires of the World in Lanaken, finishing second in the King George V Gold Cup and placing in major five-star competition. This filly already shows many of her sire's best qualities: presence, balance, athleticism and an exceptional canter. Her dam, Classido, is by Cascadello, one of Casall's standout sons and a proven sire of international performers at 160 level. The dam line adds real depth, the links to the 160 performer, Classido, and the hugely influential stallion, Clinton. As one of the first Enjoy De La Mure offspring offered onto the open market, SS Viva Enjoy is a very rare opportunity for sport and breeding.